excited today? You might be thinking, why are you excited? Because today my mom is going to do my pedicure. This was a surprise for me, so let's get started. First, we have to clip my nails. Now we have to file. The filing is done. Now my mom is going to buff my nails. Now it's time for the best part. Ta-da! Mom, what is this?
Soup.
This is soup.
अभी नहीं एक मसाज कर How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very good. This is very fun. Very relaxing. There are so many bubbles. And I love this. It is massaging my feet underneath the water. And it's
Scrub your hands.
and this scrubs my heels.
थोड़ा उठाओ और दूसरा भी करते इसको मत रखो
It's so relaxing and fun. The bubbles, there are so many bubbles. The bubbles are so fun. Memory. I will see you after 20 minutes. That was not a part of the pedicure. That was just for fun. Now it has been 20 minutes. Now my mom will dry my feet one by one. Now my mom is going to put on cuticle massage cream. What is this, Mom?
Orange stick.
What are you going to do with this?
Push the cuticle.
Mom, what is this?
Foot scrub.
This is foot mask. After removing the mask, it's time for masking. I mean not masking. I mean
Massage.
massage cream. I mixed it up. That was so relaxing. Now my mom is going to clean my nails for nail polish. Time for nail polish. My mom is going to put on toe separator.
क्या कर रही जैनब तिगलिश जैनब क्या कर रही हो
I was laughing because it was very ticklish. Ticklish, I mean. Now it's time for nail polish. Mom, what is this?
baseboard
This is baseball.
mm-hmm.
Now it's time for nail polish. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video and like my nails. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.